Take a ride in the 2016 Azera, the perfect combination of comfort and convenience. The Hyundai Azera is roomy, refined, and loaded with standard features. The Azera's quiet confidence proves that performance is another form of luxury and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, wheel locks, brake assist, fog lights, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, navigation system, driver vanity mirror, overhead console. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.